If you're looking for a quick and easy chocolate dessert, boy, do I have the recipe for you.
Do you break into a sweat with even the thought of having company? I'm here to help. After trying just a few of my hosting tips, you'll be more than ready to say, come on over.
I recently came across this cast iron s'mores dip and I thought, I must try that, which is weird because I don't usually like s'mores, but something about this dip pulled me in. Maybe because it's just 4 ingredients: butter, chocolate chips, marshmallows, and graham crackers, just like it should be around your campfire. So 1 tablespoon of butter goes into a preheated pan, and you can see this is melting down. I am using an 8-inch cast iron pan. I preheated it on medium high, and when it gets down to the last part, I don't really want to brown it so much as melt it. I am going to pour my cup of chocolate chips right over the top. I'm going to spread them out into a layer. Oh my word, the smell of this. I'm going to take my bag of marshmallows and I'm going to place marshmallows all the way around this. Now, what I forgot to tell you at the beginning was I did preheat my oven to, prepare yourself, 450 degrees. Yes.
We ain't gonna be in no fire, not today.
That is a really hot oven. Why? Because what we want this to do is we want the bottom part of this to melt, the chocolate chips and the butter to melt into this pan. And then we want the marshmallows to get that really nice toasty brown, like you're holding a marshmallow over the fire. In this case, the fire though is going to come from the oven. I'm gonna turn this off so we don't get any craziness going on.
Go crazy.
Don't mind if I do.
You can probably see the smoke coming off of here. This is a very, very hot pan. And I'm down to the last 2, and it's going to go right into the oven, just like this. Look at this coming up from the bottom. Don't forget the oven mitt, and here it goes. I'm going to leave that in the oven for 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back, and I will show you the gooey goodness in less than 10 minutes. Well, we're just waiting for the timer to go off because we can smell, oh, it smells good. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. Oh my word. It is a marshmallow palooza here. Wow. It is beautiful. It is toasty. It smells unbelievable. Should we dive in?
Do I smell s'mores?
You do? Oh, you got your cracker ready? Okay.
Oh, this looks
so
great.
I just want to pull back the edge and see. Oh, look at that. Okay, dive in and see what happens.
we'll give it a try.
Don't burn yourself though, because it is hot, hot, hot. It's feeling hot, hot, hot. Okay. Oh,
yeah.
It in there. Yeah,
Wow,
take a double.
It smells delicious.
It sure does. And here we go. He's getting in there with some marshmallow and some chocolate. Watch your little mouth. And what do you think? Delicious.
Delicious.
It's hot. But look at all this gooey goodness. And y'all, this is the kind of dessert, it doesn't have to look beautiful for very long. And it's not going to, because you're going to get people gathering around and just diving into this goodness, this goo and this chocolate down here. Be prepared for your graham cracker to crumble, but I think you could also just take a graham cracker, maybe even a double, and you could just spoon it on there just like this and have a wonderful, wonderful dessert. Her heat level, every time we're like, oh, I'm hot. Welcome to my world. Okay, it's hot outside, and that's how I feel all the time. Can you see waves of heat? That's literally my life. All day long. What is this called? Cast iron s'mores dip. Cast iron s'mores dips. Captain Camp. Cast iron. Cast iron s'mores dip. 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 Did it! If you're looking for a quick and easy chocolatey dessert, I just noticed how bad the microwave looks. Really?
It's fine. It's not really that in the shot.
Okay. Oh, I think I'm making it worse.
Yeah, you are.
Oh gosh.
Extremely hot. The roof of my mouth is.
Oh.
You faked it.
Well done. That's a pro move.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.